Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Alkasandra's Cakes and Pastries for sending us such a lovely treats. Have so many sweets, cakes, and pastries to enjoy from. So once again, if you check out Alkasandra's Cakes and Pastries page, makikita nyo po doon lahat ng mga products po nila na available for you to order. Pwede po yung mga cakes na may theme, money pool, cupcakes, virtually anything na maisip nyong theme for your cakes, for your pastries, for your sweets. Kaya po nilang gawin yan. So make sure to check out their fan page. Browse through all of the products they are serving. Make sure to call them if you want to make your event or your occasion extra special. So in the middle of the table, meron po tayong dalawang cheesecakes, and each cakes has two flavors in it. So for example, this one is a tres chocolate cheesecake. Meron po siyang parang Ferrero chocolate in the middle. This one naman is called mango bliss cheesecake. So you have your mango puree in the middle. Meron din tayong mga cherries on side. And then this one are the classic cheesecake. So we have the blueberry and the other one naman is the strawberry cheesecake. So I'm gonna try them one by one. So let me try this first. This is their strawberry cheesecake. Oh wow. Oh wow. Cheesecake, yung sourness niya, it's not too strong. And then what I like about it, talagang nagko-complement yung mga fruit jams natin like the strawberry and the blueberry. Oh, wow. Oh man, another cheat day, Louie. Another cheat day. Okay, I want to taste this mango and get a cherry. Now I want to taste this mango right here. That is really refreshing. Aside from cakes, they also serve brownies and mga cookies. So this one is a chocolate flavored cookies. Ayan, if you notice. This is the average size cookie. Now I wanna show to you guys this really huge palm-sized cookie. Ayan, oh. Guys, that is so huge. Oh, diba? So this one has chocolate bar and it also has nuts. Whoa. Oh, wow. It's not dry, it's really moist. Ma-appreciate mo talaga how moist the cookie is kasi parang nagiging gooey siya. So nabanggit ko kanina guys, they serve cakes for all occasions. Can include some themes that you wanna decorated doon sa mga cakes niyo. Pwede rin naman yung mga minimalist cake na talagang nauusong rin ngayon. So for example, yung dedication cake na pinadala nila sa atin, happy 5th anniversary Where in Pampanga. This one's really minimalist. And mostly yung dedication, yun yung magpapawaw dun sa bibigyan mo. So this one is a chocolate cake. Now this one naman is, I think it's a more native taste naman. No? So for those of you who are into ube, makapuno, pandan, so this one is it. So ito guys, kumuha na ako ng slice natin. This is what's inside of those two cakes, no? Ayan, no? Okay, I wanna taste first yung kanilang ube makapuno. I think it has pandan, no? Kasi mayroon siyang green yam. Oh wow! Oh wow! Grabe naman, ang sarap naman nito. Wow! You know what? Honestly, hindi ako masyadong familiar sa mga cakes, no? If it's a chiffon or mga ganun, no? But this one, yung cake niya, I have to comment, hindi siya yung usual na commercialized cake na parang medyo dry yung pinaka cake bread niya. This one's really moist. Yeah, congratulations. I have to commend them. Ang sarap. Oh wow. Oh wow. I'm gonna finish this one later on. Now I'll have to move dun sa kanilang binigay na dedication cake sa atin. So this is the happy anniversary Where in Pampanga cake. Wow. Chocolate, it's not that bitter, but then again, similar to the consistency of yung pandan natin, yung pinaka cake bread is really moist. I'm not lying, guys. Oh wow. Oh wow. Credits. Thank you so much for the dedication. Sa happy 5th anniversary dedication ng Alkasandra's. Lastly, I wanna introduce to you is yung kanilang Choco Fudge. This one, oh man, this is gonna be a cheat day level 99. But then again, we want to thank Alkasandra's for sending us their cakes and pastries. So this is it, guys. Let me. Ooh. Whoa. Oh man, this is so sinful. Whoa. Come on, Louis. You gotta run tomorrow. One more before I say my word. All in all, guys, I really have to commend them. Yung mga pinaka-bread ng mga cakes natin are very, very moist. That's what I like sa mga cakes, no? That's what I'm looking for sa mga cakes. Now, particular din sa Choco Fudge natin, it's not too sweet. Para sa akin, go over yung bitterness niya. If I may rate it, it's around 6 or 7 yung bitterness niya. Probably, a lot of people, a lot of you guys are gonna appreciate that kind of chocolate sa mga Choco Fudge, which is, I think it should be sa mga ganitong cakes. Guys, if you're looking for that one, available po siya dito sa Alkasandra's Cakes and Pastries. So, if you're looking for your customized theme cakes for the next occasion, event, party happening, make sure to check out Alkasandra's. We're gonna be flashing the fan page po. Ayan, call them if you want to make those occasions extra special. You have to call them. Guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up. You share it with your friends. This is a highlight of the product, so more than a review, it's a feature of Alkasandra's products. Thanks so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next video, peace out, guys. Bye.